No, I got a little cough. I ain't got COVID. I just got a little cough. I'll give you half. Just give you half. Just to make sure. That's just a make sure shot. Just make sure. Yeah, you can do it. Trust me. I know I like it. Trust me, I know. Come on. Yeah. You're professional. Come on, finish it. Come on. Every drop. You don't miss a drop. I know. Nah, this prevent her from getting it.
It's not gonna prevent her from getting it.
She like to kiss and shit.
Well, why would you get car insurance if you ain't got no car?
Cause I know one day I'm gonna get a car. So when I get the car, I always want to have the insurance. It's dumb. That way, I'll be confident in driving off. You know what I'm saying?
Go back, nigga.